Ghana is comprised of 16 distinguished regions, each contributing to the nation's rich cultural and economic landscape. Yet a new vision is emerging. We are building smart homes in Ghana that generate free electricity, free food, and water over the residents' lifetime. We're hiring 5,000 real estate agents, brokers, surveyors, and builders to be dedicated to the building of affordable African homes and the repatriation and settlement of the African diaspora. This is a life free from reliance on outside sources of food, water, and electricity. Your smart home will generate electricity, food, and water from your backyard. You will produce more food than you can consume. Our commitment is clear: the construction of over 5,000 2- to 3-bedroom single-family affordable homes each year. The anticipated impact is profound. Projections indicate that Ghana's economy could expand exponentially in 5 years. This is a notification to do business. Cape Coast, Tema, Tamale, Kumasi, Winneba, Kasoa, Abudi Mountains, and Volta region. Get ready.